We're now in High Bay 1 of the Vehicle Assembly Building. This is time-lapse video, so in just a moment you will see the crawler transporter pull in underneath the mobile launcher platform in preparation for the trip. There we see the doors to the Vehicle Assembly Building have just parted. Here are the vertical doors just going up. We saw the horizontal doors part. The vertical doors are up. Now we should have the crawler transporter come in. Preparations underway beneath the mobile launcher platform to accommodate the crawler transporter. And there's our first motion of Atlantis on October 14th, 2009 from High Bay 1.